Hi everyone, Amberly here with take 2 on the coffee filter flower, and this time I'm going to show a little more detail as to what I'm doing to get that flower, so I'll be holding it closer to the camera. What we need first is coffee filters, 6:1 flour, some scissors, food coloring, a stapler, and pipe cleaners, and a little container with water to put the food coloring into to dye our coffee filters. So I'm going to be making a red flower today, and I already put 4 drops of food coloring in here because I want it to be a little light. So what we do is get our coffee filter, and we're not creasing it, but we're just going to roll it up like that so it all fits into the container. So then you dip it in there until it's about halfway absorbed up, as you see, and then we'll drip it off a little bit. You lay them out to dry overnight, and then you'll be ready to go. So I have some here that I already did, and they're all dried, and we're going to split them up into 2 groups of 3. So have them here. In the first group, we'll fold in half like this, and we're going to cut that into, make like a little wave design along it, just to really get that edge of the flower. And then the second group, we're going to fold in half also. And then I like to make triangles, and you don't need to measure them. You don't need to do anything special because all we're doing is making dimension in the flower. It doesn't need to be anything very particular here. Then you're going to take the wavy side and insert the one that you cut the triangles out of. And then we have it folded in half together like this. Take our coffee filter, our pipe cleaner, and then we're going to fold it over again and take our stapler and go about a ½ inch up and try and get that pipe cleaner in the staple as well. And then here's where we fold it open then until we can get the very inner layer, like this. And we're going to separate that innermost layer from the other layers of the filter paper and fold it up. That's all collected there. Oops. And then pinch it right at the very base where you can feel the staple and all the other filters gathered there. And then we're going to pull up the next coffee filter layer that we have, like so. And pinch it again. You see it's starting to stand up on its own, and we're creating the center of the flower there. And then you pull up the next layer and do the same thing. Like so. And again, separate those layers. And you just have to be careful not to tear the filter, but you're going to be okay if you crinkle it because that's the whole point of this project, is to crinkle up the coffee filters and make them look like flowers. So then you pinch it again at the very bottom, and then you can fluff it out and do what you want. Maybe give it another little pinch here, give it a fluff, and there you are. You have your coffee filter flower. Thanks. Have a great day.